are important to the body, like linoleic and arachidonic acids. Okay, important for the for structuring some tissues in the body, okay, and some molecules. It is an essential component of milk because milk contains fat too, and the other source of butter, etc., which is derived from milk. It helps in the absorption of calcium, of phosphorus, and fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, and K. Phospholipids, which are fat, are the essential constituent of the cell wall and play an important role in cell nutrition. Okay. It helps in temperature regulation and insulation for the vital organs. So here, for temperature regulation, they are destroyed to produce heat. Okay, so making the temperature higher, and they constitute insulation. En français, c'est une isolation. So they are just covering the vital organs, okay, from outside, of course, and it is to avoid temperature, body temperature, or vital organ temperature to get lower, okay. So it is preserving vital organ temperature, okay. Fats are important nutrients of nervous metabolism. Okay, they are very important for the nervous system because the nervous system is made of, in high amount of fat. Okay, and they may be precursors of high active prostaglandin and some hormones. Okay. As proteins, they can be precursors of some hormones. So prostaglandins are important substances for reproduction, and they interfere in inflammatory reaction. Okay, they're very important. We move now to ash or minerals or inorganic elements. Okay, minerals, you have among them macro elements. Macro means big, so they are the minerals required in relatively large amount and used in the synthesis of structural tissues. Okay, they are called macro. It is because of the needs of the body, which are in large amount, okay, of those elements. Their concentration is expressed in terms of percentage, okay, and you have, let's mention them. You have calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chlorine, and sulfur. Okay, and you have in parallel microelements, which are the minerals required in a trace amount. Okay, in trace amounts means very, very low quantity, okay, very low amount, and usually function as activators or as a component of enzyme system. The concentration of trace elements or microelements is expressed in terms of part per million, ppm, okay, since their concentration is very low in the plant and the body, okay, and they are iron, le fer, iron, copper c'est le cuivre, copper, iodine c'est le iode, cobalt, zinc, manganese, fluorine, and selenium, and so on. Okay, etc. Let's see their roles. They are considered as a constituent of skeletal structure, of course, when we speak about phosphorus and calcium, and the regulating acid-base equilibrium. They're important too. They act as a component or an activator of enzymes. Okay, c'est les coenzymes et les activateurs. And about nutrition, salt and mineral blocks are going to see in figure what are mineral blocks are fed free choice where animals are able to lick them anytime they want. Okay, free choice. They are fed free choice. In French, c'est dit à volonté ou ad libitum. Okay, so that they can lick them. Lick, lécher en français, lécher. Here is mineral block, okay, and the cows are licking it, okay. Now we move to vitamins. Food requirements in vitamins. Vitamins are organic, so among the nutrients we are studying, we have only minerals or ash, which are inorganic substances. Inorganic, it is the opposite of organic substances. Okay, vitamins are organic substances required by animals in very small amount. Okay, for regulating various body processes toward normal health, growth, and production and reproduction. Okay, plants can synthesize all the vitamins which they require as a component of various enzyme systems. But it is not the case for animals and human beings. Therefore, we have to take our vitamins in food, okay, in plants. Now we are about to finish vitamins. Let's see the functions of vitamins. Vitamins are essential for the good health and play important role in the body growth. Vitamin provides resistance against diseases and increases the productivity power of animals. Okay, since they are not ill, they can produce better. Vitamins are essential constituents of certain enzyme systems, regulate body metabolism, and clotting of blood. Okay, clotting of blood, and here clotting c'est la coagulation du sang, and here it is vitamin K that interferes with. Okay, let's make BK here, vitamin K. Okay, blood clotting, c'est la coagulation du sang. Vitamins are needed during pregnancy or gestation, okay, la gestation, for the development of fetus. Vitamins, you have here some examples. Vitamin A is responsible for the proper functioning of vision, and for vitamin C, it keeps the gums in healthy state. Gums, ce sont les gencives, c'est la gencive. Ok, gums, c'est la gencive. Au niveau de la cavité buccale, hein, là vous avez des dents, you have gums. Okay. And vitamin C is important also for metabolism. Okay. Okay, let's move. Let's see some kinds of forage we give to the cattle. Some terminology. And normally you have some reading, but we are going to skip it. Just detail, not very, very important. Okay, so here it is a paper, scientific paper from which I've taken some reading. It's about feeding values of some crops we use as forage, okay, to feed lactating dairy cows. So you have corn. Just I want you to know how are those plants called in English. Okay, you have corn or maize, which is le maïs. You have barley, c'est l'orge, barley, c'est l'orge. And you have wheat, c'est le blé, as you see. And oats, c'est l'avoine. Okay, oats, c'est l'avoine. Let's repeat. You have corn or maize, c'est le maïs. You have barley, c'est l'orge. Wheat, c'est le blé. And oats is l'avoine. Okay. I told you that I am going to skip the reading below, and let's finish with cats and dogs nutrition. Okay, what do cats and dogs eat? We can feed human food to cats and dogs, so we can give human food to our pets, like we can give them, of course, obviously meat, fish, chicken, turkey, etc. We can give them dairy products, milk, of course, some cheese. We can give them eggs. We can give them also pasta and rice, okay, donc les pâtes et le riz as a source of carbohydrates, okay, and this is one option. And we can also use commercial pet food. It is what is sold, okay, to be given to pets. We call them kibble, et ce sont les croquettes, okay, as a kind of commercial pet food, okay. Kibble, ce sont les croquettes. Donc, I hope that everything is clear. It is finished for the lesson of nutrition, okay. I think that we have talked about cattle nutrition. Okay, we focused on, we've said only a few things about pet food. Okay, I hope everything is clear for you. Whenever you have any question, okay, please just hesitate. You can contact me. You have my phone number and you have my mail address. Okay, see you and thank you so much for your attention.